In a report that we published in January 2015, it's called Inspiring the Future Workforce, How to Lead and Engage Gen Y and Gen Z Effectively. And also I was interviewed in Channel News Asia Singapore, leading interview on TV, where we talk about inspiring the future workforce on the 15th January. You can watch that in our CE YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com/CE Global. You can look at the interview, and what is interesting, we have I articulate clearly some of the finding, and these are some of the findings. Number one, the most important of all, is what they expect from the leader. What do they expect? They refers to Gen Y and Gen Z. What are some of the leadership qualities that they expect? And this is something we need to understand, because if you're not able to understand and deliver and develop your ability to engage them, you're going to lose them. Number one, they want leader who respect and values and appreciate them as an employee. Respect, values, and appreciate them. Number two, they want leader who are able to demonstrate flexible leadership style and keep an open mind. Three, they want leader who are able to coach, mentor, and guide them. Fourth, they want leader who are effective communicator and great listener. Fifth, they want leader who's understanding and caring, showing care and concern for them. Six, they want leader who have good leadership skills to bring desired results, to lead them, to inspire them. And lastly, they want leader who's pleasant, easy to get along with, and very approachable. Now, what does it mean? It means that you need to examine our leadership practices as HR professional. Look at current leadership program that you are getting your leaders to go through. Are they helping you to prepare your leaders to meet these challenges posed by this newer generation, the Gen Y and Gen Z? Second, you need to ask yourself, are you getting yourself ready to embrace them, to bring them into your organization? But this is what they expect. Now, when we ask in the interview, we ask in our research, we ask them, the Gen Z especially, they are in the polytechnic, the universities, institution of higher learning. We ask them what they expect from their leaders, and they have been through internship, they've been through attachment program, they have been to corporation, work with corporation, and they have found a lot of experiences they have shared with us are very unpleasant. Things that they have seen in the workplace, and they want things to change because they do not want to see that kind of leaders that they've experienced. So, and at the same time, they have seen pleasant experience for the Gen Y. They have worked in 1 to 2 years to 3 years. We ask them, what do they see? What is so different? How do they want, or what do they want to see differently in their leaders, in their current organization? So these are some of our findings that we have researched. And to go a little bit in depth, so we went to all these organizations, we asked them, tell us more. We talked to the Gen Y,